Shazana binti Saini. My metric number is 270165. We are from Group 5, want to present about our situation given. First of all, COVID-19 to UNICEF, United Nations Children's Funds, WHO, World Health Organization, and IFRC, International Federation of Red Cross, defines that the disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus. The COVID-19 is actually an acronym word. The meaning of this word is CO for corona, VI for virus, and D stand for disease. This disease is linked with the same virus family as several acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and some types of other colds. Based on this pandemic, the headline media stated that Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) advise people to work at home if they can during this pandemic, because people who go to workplace are twice likely to get the COVID-19 than those who stay and work at home. So the meeting platform like web meeting, Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet is normalized nowadays, because people can do their work anywhere and anytime. Hence, people have to choose a suitable device for them to do their work efficiently and effectively because of this situation given. So we have to adjusting in these new norms, we have to do our work by using a suitable device. We have to choose carefully about the devices that we using in working, because through the COVID-19, all the work have to be done online. So the good devices can help us to do it conveniently, to make our work done successfully, and it can be devices that make our working life easier when we have choose a right devices for us in working. Our recommended solution is maximize the use of portable device in this new norm. Portable device are called as mobile devices. The characteristic of portable device is easy to carry and handy. The portable device is an important part in computing. Portable device have battery operated devices, which is it have processor, memory, storage, and network access. When a computing company want to produce a new computing devices, they have to put the portable devices characteristic in their computing products, because nowadays people want computing devices that thin and light for them to use it conveniently, and they can carry around and can put it in their pocket. The computing device that can be used like laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Through these devices, it really can help people to do their work conveniently, and it's easy to carry around for them to do their work at their comfortable place. The portable device can make a mobility. Mobility can give people freedoms and versatility to do their work at any time and any place that they like. So people no longer have to do their work only at the workplace. Because they can do their work at anywhere and any time that they like. So people don't have to sit in a long time at the same place to do their work, because they have choose to use a portable device to make their work efficiently and effectively, which is it can make their work easier to be done than usual. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Fatima Najiha binti Azmi. My metric number is 270161. So I will continue with description of the product. So basically, our group had choose 3 portable device in order to solve the problem, which is laptop, smartphone and tablet. Firstly, I will talk about laptop. A laptop is a small personal computer that was designed to be more portable than the old design, which is a desktop computer with many more abilities. A laptop can be folded flat, which is made it easier to bring and use in a different environment. This is different from desktop computer, as we know that we cannot bring a computer everywhere we go because of their size and weight. Imagine if we don't have a laptop. I think that some people's life will be miserable. Laptop also comes with a new technology, which is a trackpad or trackball that is used as the mouse. It means that if you forget to bring your mouse, you didn't have to worry, as you still can continue and complete doing your job by using a trackball or trackpad. A laptop is one of the important things that university students should have. This is because they mostly use a laptops in their study, especially when to complete their tasks or assignment. Based on the research, during this pandemic COVID-19, the demand for the laptop is higher than in the other years. This might happen because most of the employees and students now have to work and study from home. I think that the reason why the demand for the laptop is higher because usually just university students and workers should have a laptop. But during this pandemic COVID-19, even students from secondary school and primary school should have a laptop to do their online learning. Laptop prices can range from 105,000 to 10,000 based on their brand, RAM, software, and more. Besides, among mobile devices, a laptop is the most powerful when it comes to computing and browsing the net. So I think that a laptop is a very convenient. Secondly, I will talk about a smartphone. A smartphone is a wireless handheld device that commonly used to make and receive calls. Nowadays, we can say that a smartphone is one of the important things that everyone should have in their life. This is because you can make things easier with smartphone. Also, by using a smartphone, you can make money, find a job, order food, learning, and more. Compared to laptop and tablet, smartphones are more light and small than others, so it was easier to use and bring everywhere you go. Even when you are in toilet, you still can use your smartphone. A smartphone can make your work easier, as you can talk, chat, or having a video call with everyone you want. As we know, in this pandemic COVID-19, all of us must follow the instruction from the government, which is to avoid staying closer with each other. So, when it comes to discussing, it may be difficult for you as worker or student, especially when you have to work from home. But By using a smartphone, you still can discuss about your work with your workmates every time and everywhere you go. For example, when you are having a great time with your family, or when you are in holiday, suddenly got something urgent about your work, you suddenly got something urgent about your work as you got a urgent task and have to submit it immediately. You can just open your smartphone and use it immediately wherever you are, as can improve your company productivity. Besides, smartphone contains all the things we need in our life as worker, such as you can use for Google, Microsoft Word, take pictures or video, and more. By using only a smartphone, you can complete all the tasks that you need to do. For the price, it depends on what brands or RAM you use. But usually nowadays people are into iPhone, then Android. Also, you can get a smartphone at a low price, which is from only 500. So I think it was very affordable and has a lower price than tablet and laptop. Lastly, I will talk about tablet. A tablet is one of the technology innovation that looks like a smartphone, but with the additional capabilities which make it has a function and resemble more like a laptop. Tablet may be a personal computer that is used as a touchscreen, as it a primary data input device. Tablet can be said as a mix between handphone and laptop, as sometimes tablets are used to make a call like a handphone, but with features that seem like a laptop, but with a smaller size and less weight than the average laptop. Most of the workers love to use a tablet rather than a laptop when they are outdoor, because tablet is more convenient and easy to carry rather than a laptop. By having a tablet, you didn't need to worry about your job, as you can do your job everywhere you are. As we know, when we buy a laptop, we use a virtual keyboard. For the tablet, we use a virtual keyboard. So it can make our work easier, as it was good for little typing. Work, such as to submit your emails. So when you want to submit your email, you didn't have to open or bring your heavy and big laptop with you. Moreover, tablets are new technology compared to handphone and laptop, and the price to buy a tablet is not too expensive. If you want to make a difference between a price of laptop and tablet smartphone, it was not too different, because you can still get a tablet with 500. So if you want to look more elegant and luxurious, you can use a tablet, as tablets are often used by those who are involved in business work. We can say that by using a tablet, you will look more elegant. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurunadra binti Azhar, and my metric number is 2757-7. Today I want to present about analysis of product. Analysis of product show the comparison between three types of portable device, such as laptop, smartphone, and tablet. So size of the screen, laptop is 10 to 15 inch, smartphone 3.5 to 6 inch, tablet 7 to 10 inch. For the storage, 160 gigabyte to 2 terabyte, and smartphone 8 to 256 gigabyte. For tablet, 8 to 128 GB. For network coverage, laptop is lack of 3G connectivity. For smartphone, cover for 3G to 4G. For tablet, 3G and 4G. So the price is for laptop is 1,500 to 10,000. For smartphone, 400 to 5,000. And for the tablet, 350 and 4,000. For handy, less convenience. For smartphone, convenience, and tablet, more convenience. For example here, laptop such as HP, Lenovo, and Acer. For smartphone, iPhone, Vivo, and Oppo. And tablet, Huawei, Xiaomi, and Samsung. So, advantage of using the product. First of all, laptop. For mobility, the advantage of a laptop is a mobility, lightweight, compact, and size. The built-in battery in the laptop that allow it to easily move from the one place to another place. So the sensitivity here, laptop is easier to damage. For example, it's not uncommon for a laptop to drop, fall with rain, step and sit on it. So for the finished product, the laptop also easy to use without any additional device. It has everything inside the one laptop, such as keyboard, built-in mouse, or also known as touchpad, built-in rules, speaker, microphone, and many more. Unpredictable battery. The battery pack built into the laptop break down because it's not eternal and it's not need to be operated according to the strict rule. For the internet access, for the laptop is always demand for the laptop because it's provide the ability to access the internet through wireless technology Wi-Fi. For the disadvantage, reinstalling the native operating system. Laptop really do not like reinstalling the operating system. Its problem with the function keys and etc can begin. So for advantage and disadvantage for the smartphone, you may know where you are and find easy way and route to go anywhere, especially in an unknown place. Email and banking become easy. You can entertain yourself with game, music, or movie. Disadvantage, the electromagnetic radiation will be high because of the heavy internet usage and might lead to health problem. The HEV light emitted from the screen of a smartphone lead to severe eye strain during long time use and would slowly damage. Spending the most of time on your phone create neck problem and sleep deprivation. Advantage for the tablet, portability can work from everywhere and small enough to put in handbag. Flexible screen can choose to place the screen in landscape or portrait. For the keyboard can connect with a tablet but is less portable such a configuration. For this disadvantage, the type and speed of the input process. Input with tablet PC becomes slower than with laptop. The screen size is too small in comparison with a laptop. The LCD screen is one of the most expensive part to replace on a tablet PC. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Isa Hazira binti Muhammad Yunus. My matric number is 270309. My course is Human Resource Management. I will continue with the product analysis. This analysis show the result about which portable device are very useful for doing work or tasks easily during COVID-19 pandemic. This analysis based on two different perspectives, which is the first is pricing of different type of portable device and the second is type of working place. Firstly, the pricing of different type of portable device. There are three type of portable device, which is laptop, tablet and smartphone that sold in the market from the various price offered. The people must have to choose the affordable price and convenient device for doing their job efficiently. The price for each of these devices varies according according to the brand, size, and so on. During COVID-19 pandemic, people are advised to be frugal, so that the people need to buy the portable device that cheap but high quality. From the analysis, we can see that the price of the tablet is cheaper compared to laptop and smartphone. The price for the tablet is around 350 to 4,000. The highest price is laptop, which is between 1,500 until 10,000. Although the price of tablet is cheaper than laptop and smartphone, but the function is more or less the same. So it makes the tablet is more affordable to buy. Based on the survey, the most suitable portable device during COVID-19 pandemic is tablets. It is because many citizens face financial problems, which is the economic resources of the country are affected. So the source of income of the people is also affected. There are many workers who only get half the salary than they should. Therefore, tablet can save people money and everyone can afford it. Their work will also run smoothly as the tablet also has many functions like other portable devices. Next is a type of working place. The type of place for the people working is influence the portable device. It is because they have to choose the most suitable portable device for making them comfortable and efficient to do their work. The laptop has a large screen for the people to do their work effectively, but it is less handy than other two devices. The smartphone is very handy but too small for doing the work in a long time. Users may have difficulty viewing the small screen over a long period of time. Meanwhile, the tablet is just nice because of its smaller, thinner, and handy feature like the smartphone, but has a larger screen than smartphone that make people work for a long time easily. Tablet user may not have any problem due to its size and easy of carrying everywhere compared to very heavy laptops. Based on the survey, it states that majority agree that tablet is more suitable portable device if you want to work anywhere and every time flexibly. This is because the function of the tablet is much like a laptop, which is required to do office work, but the size of the tablet is smaller, so it is easy to carry around and easily fit in your backpack or handbag. The tablet can make them work flexibly for adjusting to the new norm of working environment. The current COVID-19 pandemic caused some rules and regulations that must be followed by employees while working. Everyone must comply with the prescribed standard operating procedure (SOP). The COVID pandemic currently does not allow a large number of people to work and gather at workplace. This is because there is a need for social distance while working so that virus COVID-19 do not spread to others. Therefore, when using a tablet, it do not require large space such as laptop and computer need. These situations makes the tablet is the most suitable portable device for the people to working because of the size and handy feature can help people to working efficiently. The conclusion is here can be stated that the tablet are very useful for doing work or tasks easily during COVID-19 pandemic based on pricing of different type of portable device and type of working place.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Haifa Adila from Bachelor of International Business Management. My metric numbers is 273827. And I will present the conclusion part. So, in the conclusion, it is clear that by utilizing portable device, especially laptop, tablet and smartphone can help people to improve their productivity in new norms. The new norms has required people to work from home, especially the profession that can be done remotely like office worker, teachers and university lecturer. This effort is to avoid physical contact and break the COVID-19 chain of infection. Also, utilization of portable device unquestionably has granted mobility, versatility and practicality to work regardless of time and place. This is the significant element to work in the new norm. The new norm has changed how people live nowadays and creates the unknown futures. So that's why we call the new norm something that new that happened in our life and we need to adapt with it. Besides, it is not exaggerate to say that portable device will no longer the product that you simply desire or want, but it is the product that you need. It will become a necessity, believe me. And this is actually not a new thing for people because long before COVID-19, an adult already need at least a smartphone to work, study, communicate and even to accomplish some daily needs. All of this is because of globalization and technology development. But the new norms make it a lot harder to work or study if you do not have any portable device. Not only for an adult but also for teenagers and children as they also need to learn remotely. Some people also might want to consider a laptop or tablet that before this they do not even need because nowadays smartphone alone cannot efficiently help people to improve their productivity. People need to adapt quickly with these changes as the competitive for work and opportunity is higher. As I said, people need to adapt quickly. So in the nutshell, the portable device can help people to improve their productivity in the new norms. There is various portable device from various brands that have various features and specialty in the market that people can choose from, such as smartwatch from Apple. Is just a watch but you can make a call and you can also receive a call. Smartwatch also is one from the portable device, but to work productively and efficiently, laptop, tablet and smartphone is highlighted. Also, after the survey, we suggest that people start considering to have a tablet to ease working or learning remotely because the size that not too big or too small compared to smartphone and laptop. Furthermore, laptop is much similar to tablet is much similar to laptop except for their size. So, some software or features is easy to use on tablet than smartphones such as Microsoft Office, multiple tab, split screen and virtual meeting platform. Tablet also can download exciting and fun apps similar to smartphones such as mobile games, social media, shopping apps like Shopee, Lazada and Zalora, and camera filters like Snapchat. So, if you want and you search for a device that is to use complicated software and have a big screen, yet it is fun and handy, tablet is the answer. Believe me, I guarantee your productivity. Thank you. That's all from me.